In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Smartsheet dashboards with metric widgets. By the end, you'll know how to turn the key numbers in your sheets into clear, real-time visuals your team can act on. Start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. Once you're in, you'll be looking at your Smartsheet workspace where your sheets, reports, and dashboards live. To begin building, look for the Create button. Depending on your layout, it's typically at the top or along the left. Clicking Create opens the options for the kinds of items you can make. Choose Dashboard. This sets up a new, blank canvas. Think of a dashboard as a single page where you can assemble widgets, small, focused components that display information from your sheets and reports. Dashboards make it easy to give stakeholders a quick read on progress without sending them into the raw data. On the right side of the dashboard editor, find the plus icon. This is your widget library. Clicking it opens a panel with different widget types designed for various use cases like charts, rich text, and images. For key numbers that need to stand out, the metric widget is the most direct option. Select metric. A metric widget is perfect for a single KPI or a small set of related values, such as total tasks completed, open issues, spend to date, or the latest forecast. It's designed to keep the number clear and prominent so your audience can absorb it at a glance. Now add data. In the configuration panel, choose your source, usually a sheet or report that already holds the value you care about. Then point the widget to the exact cell, summary field, or range you want to display. If you maintain sheet summary fields or formulas, they're great choices because they produce stable, reliable KPIs. You'll also see options to format how the value appears. Pick number styles, currency, and decimal precision so the metric matches your reporting standards. Add a concise title and subtitle to explain what the number represents, and, if helpful, include timing context like as of today so viewers instantly understand the snapshot. For readability, select a contrasting background and make sure the font size is large enough. You can drag to resize the widget on the canvas so it remains legible on different screens. That's it. You've created a Smartsheet dashboard and populated it with a live metric. As your underlying sheet updates, this widget updates automatically. Repeat this same flow to surface additional KPIs and keep labels consistent so your dashboard tells a clear story at a glance.